One and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you have seen that silver is trading at a level of $22.842. For this particular week we have seen it has made a low of around $22.264 and a high of around $23. Okay, and chances will be high that this level is sustaining. If this is sustaining, a further upside we can see, or if this level moves again below a level of $22.300, a further fall we can see. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, a range always moves in a range. A silver moves in a range. If you look at this particular pattern, that whenever the range breaks upside or downside, a further fall we can see, a further rise we can see. After pandemic, what had happened, there is a continuous rise in all the energy stocks and metals and all, and they made a high. You can check others, metal also and energy stocks also, they made a high. After that, a profit booking has come at this. If you look at, this is the only place where we have seen there's a continuous rise, but it is quite volatile. Okay, because the war situation was there at this particular level. Okay, Fed was increasing the rate and dollar was strengthened. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, chances are very high if it sustain. Why I'm telling you on both the sides, because you have to understand market is uncertain. You have to see that suppose if it is hitting a resistance and sustaining, a further upside we can see, but if it moves below a particular support and moves down, a further fall we can see. This is very important. Okay, so always try to set your SL, okay, and trail your SL. That will save your capital as well as profit. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $23. Okay, so once it started sustaining over 23, a further upside we can see, and a probability of going towards $23.331 is there. Okay, if the price move above that particular level, chances of going towards 23.661 is there, and if that level move further upside, a probability of going towards a level of around 24.165 is there. Okay, after this level, a probability of going further upside we'll see, because a probability at a level of around 24.56 is that if this sustain, a further upside we can see. Now if the price move above this particular level, chances are very high it will go towards $24.278, and after that a probability of going towards $24.62. And as soon as started sustaining above this level, chances are very high of going further upside. We can see it will cross a level of $25 also. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain, it can touch a level of around $23.270. From there we can see a level of 23.671, and this 23.671 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards 24.125 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain of this level, a further upside we can see, and it will touch a level of $24.634 and a further high. Okay, and then further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Now as I've already explained you, market will not fall sharp or rise upside. How it moves, it hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way it will come down. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it will move towards a level of $22.532. Okay, and then a probability of going further low we can see, and chances of touching a level of around 22.234 is there. Okay, so if the price fall below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $22.105, and from there a further low, and chances of touching a level of around $21.50 is there. Again I repeat, if the price fall below $22, chances of touching a level of around 21.941 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 21.565, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it will go further low towards a level of $21.284. Okay, so as soon as it started falling below $21.284, a further fall we can see, and probability of going further down we can see. Keep that in mind, it was moving in this zone, so as soon as it moves below this level, a further fall we can see, and a probability of going towards 21.325 is there, which is a strong support. So a bounce back can come if it moves below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.